There you go. I've done this before, but I thought I'd show it again. This is how you change your bushranger's blades, and it's how you change most mower blades. Most of the mowers are the same. Usually got a couple of bolts on, a couple of blades, and that's it. So I'm going to get through it and show you how to do it. So the first one, you need to find which one. These things are handy. You need one of these and one of these. Well, a few of these because there's different sizes and stuff, but you know what I mean. So I usually test them out first, find the right size. Probably should have prepared it earlier, but you know. So that's the right size for that one. So you're going to take this off, easy as this, pull it off, get the little square part of that, put it on the square part of that, chuck it on, turn it left so it's loosening. As a bloke, it's stock standard to do this, just a couple of times, just, you know, make sure it's working. You need to make sure it's off as well, by the way, before you do this. You don't want to bloody start your mower up, so make sure it's off and then do this. And I usually hold this as well so it doesn't spin at all. Just pull it out. Put them somewhere safe that you're not going to lose them. So they're all in the same spot. Bushranger is annoying. It's got those blade size and then it's got one big one in the middle, so you need a different one for the middle one. So it's usually, one second. It would be helpful if I put them all next to each other, but I didn't. So that was the right one. So pull that off again. Put them back on. And he is off. That's your blade thing off. So it's nice and empty. If there's any grass in there, I usually, you know, wipe it off and get it out. But it's pretty clean today, which is good. With this, it's just a matter of turning it upside down, so it's that way. Putting this stuff out the way, so they're in a spot. Usually I don't do this on grass, but you know, when in Rome. So you chuck that down like that. These blades are shot, so they need to be taken off. I think it's this one. Cool. So chuck that in the corner. So far we've gone through 4 different connections. Bushranger, I'm not sure why you've done this. Honda has every single bolt is the same when you're taking it on and off. So anyway, chuck it on. I like these things. You can get them from your mower packs, but my new packs, when I buy them, they don't have new ones, so I've just been using the same one over and over again. They don't seem to wear out, so that's okay. But I like using them, I don't know why. Probably because I've always used them. All of this you don't need, because it's going to come in your pack. So you throw that one away, get your pack out. I quite like this brand. I'm not sponsored at all, but bloody GA power equipment spares. They're I don't know, they're Australian made, so usually like to support Aussies. Cop that. So put them all in one spot so you don't lose them. These are pretty simple. You get your bolt, you put your this on the bottom, so that goes through. So that's through the hole. Make sure it's through the hole. You don't want it bloody halfway off the hole. You want it actually stuck in there. And then basically all you do is you get your little this one. This one goes in between that one and the thing. So you got that on the top. That's facing upwards. See that? So it's got a little thing on it. That needs to face upwards. So you face that upwards. Chuck that on top. And you get rid of this crap that's growing up. And obviously you face that shape with the same shape. Here it goes. Put it on the floor. Where's my little thing? I put that one on top. I just like how it stabilises it. Then you chuck that one on the top. Turn this to right, so it's going right. Sound. Double burst. I like to make sure it still can do this, because you don't want it to be locked. And that one's good to go. And then we just do it to all the other ones. Oh, this one here is on too tight. I can't move the blade, so I'm going to loosen it. And I'm going to chuck it back through again, because you don't want it on there that it doesn't spin. Otherwise it'll just be stuck there and be doing a weird cut for you. So I'm going to put it back on again. It's still not wanting to spin, which is annoying. Loosen it a bit. There we go. Spinning again. See how it goes like that? That's how I want them. So you're all doing it. And then we're going to do the last bolt. I'll just chuck that on there for you. So again, that one through the hole. Once it's through the hole, fully through the hole, those little things pointing upwards. Chuck it through this one. It's pretty self-explanatory really, but that one goes on top. Don't panic if you don't have those. Some of them don't, so the mower shop doesn't sell them now for some reason, so you can do it without them. So if you don't have them, you're like, oh, it's fine. Loose again. Cool. So they're all loose. Loose, 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 loose. Now I just like to tighten them one more time. All good to go. Then it's just a matter of lining it up. So you want to line up the holes with the holes. Chuck it on there. There's my bolts. So I usually chuck that one on first. You don't have to do it, but it's just how I do it. Screw it in as much as you can with your hand first. That stops the you're wearing out threads when you use this bad boy, because it's in there right. Need to find the right one of these. That's the right one. Right is tight, left is loose. Pretty well. Now we need the little ones. So again, do it with your hand first. These are a bit shit, so you can only get so far in them, and I actually need some new ones, because this one, the thread's actually gone, which isn't good. And then you just do it lightly. I don't go crazy. You do around, you don't do one hard, one hard, one hard, you do it slowly around, and then you get even so it flattens. It doesn't have like a kind of weird angle when you're doing your mowing, so you need to go around lightly. That's all. And you got new blades. Happy days.